Is there any defendant in court?
No, my lord.
Appearances.
With profound respect to my noble lord, I am
Yes.
Omoni Sunday. Omoni Sunday, my lord.
Yes, I got it.
For the claimants.
You are for
The claimants, my lord.
any other appearance? Yes. Any other appearance? Kneel for the defendant.
For the defendant.
Mr. Is it Tomini that is the surname? Have you served the processes on the defendants?
Yeah, my lord, the originating process has been duly served on the defendants.
Very well. We'll take a date for further mention. The matter is for mention for the first time today.
As God pleases.
What date, court registrar? 25th of what?
21st.
Of February or March?
March, my lord.
Okay. As is mentioned, defendants are to file their defense to this suit. It is adjourned to 21st of March 2023 for further mention. Hearing notices to be served on the defendants proof to be filed. Call the
As
next
God
case.
pleases.
Case number between Madam and 16 order and other
Appearances. Any appearance? Yes.
I'm old up. I do.
You are for who?
Man, I'm for
Eh?
outside and age.
You are for who?
Well, I'm for the defendant.
For the defendant.
Yes, my lord. However, my lord, claimant, he just
You stepped outside.
yes, my lord.
You stepped out.
I wanted to pull off my gun, pull off my
Okoja. Okoja. You can appear before me in this way. So you better get out and go dress very well.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Go ahead, Mr. Baido. What is the business of today?
My lord,
Mr. Baido.
now this matter was filed since 2020. As at present, we have not commenced hearing because the
Have you filed your defense?
Yes, my lord, we filed our defense and all our processes.
Very well.
Yes, my lord. But I'm aware the new counsel just took over. That's the person of Leonard Senior. So I'm awaiting to know his next process move, my lord, if he's going to amend or continue.
Has he filed a notice of change of counsel?
Yes, my lord, that's been filed.
When was it filed? Thirteenth of October?
Yes, my lord, I think so, my lord.
Yes, I can see 13th of October, possibly after sitting because.
Yes, my lord. Very well, my lord.
Start on 13th of October.
Yes, my lord.
So that is, the new council is who now?
That's Barrister Eo Jonathan, my lord.
From Akpata. From Akpata VD and Co. Ziputu Kaba Junction to Ayo Jonathan.
Yes, yes, my lord, to Ayo Jonathan.
Okay.
It's costly there.
So that is taken. We haven't had any other thing aside that.
No, my lord.
What do you want the court to do? So, Baedo,
Yes, my lord.
I'm talking to you. What do you want the court to do? Take a date.
We'll take a date to my lord.
You said? Yes, court register, what date?
What date?
For definite hearing.
As the court please.
Court register suggest the date for definite hearing. Court registrar.
20th March, my lord. 20th, yes, my lord. 20th March, my lord.
Mr. Baedo, is it convenient?
Well, the 20th March is convenient.
Very well. Case adjourned to 20th March 2023 for definite hearing.
Court please.
Call the next case.
Yes, sir.
on the court.
Who is in court?
Sunday. Awoyemi. 1. KCM Mining Limited. 2. Alabi Samuel. My lord, the claimant is in court. He is as well representing the first defendant. Is the country manager, my lord.
What's the name?
Samuel Alabi.
What's his name? Is what is the country what?
Alabi Samuel.
What's his position? Manager. Appearances.
This is my logo. I am
Please unmute your phone.
My Lord, I am
You
UM
are
Ibrahim.
BM what?
UM Ibrahim.
Very well.
I appear
You
with.
are from
I am with YM Jamiu. I am with YM Jamiu for the defendant.
any appearance for the claimant?
Any appearance for the claimant? Well, the claimant counsel is not in court, but the claimant
Where
is
is
in
your
court.
lawyer? Claimant, where is your lawyer? Court registrar, ask him. Where is his lawyer?
Lawyer is on his way. That he's on his way coming, my lord.
The court cannot be waiting for him. So, Mr. Ibrahim, what do you want the court to do? The matter is for the...
The matter is for and we are ready. Our
So
witnesses are in court.
How many witnesses do you want to call?
3.
Have you reduced their witness statement into writing?
Very well.
When did you file them?
Well, we filed them sometime in April, 13th of May 2020 and amended on the 18th May. Portion to your order.
So who is the first witness?
The second defendant.
The second defendant, the country manager.
Is the first witness?
Yes, Ms. Lord.
Go ahead and invite him.
I'm going to. Yes, Ms. Lord.
I, Alabi Samuel, swear in the name of Almighty God that the evidence that will be swear in the the whole truth, but nothing and nothing but the truth.
So help me.
Thank God.
No, my Lord, the witness has sworn in the Holy Bible.
Very well. So go through his witness statement.
Yes, Mr. Samuel. Yes, my Lord. Mr. Samuel, remember
Yes, sir.
sometime
What date was
in
that?
13th day of May 2020. There was 13th day of May 2020. And amended statement. Yes, sir.
Very well.
You made an amendment statement
Yes, sir.
dated 13th May 2022.
Yes, sir.
The amendment was one to the order of my Lord on the 18th day
Yes, sir.
of May.
Show him and let him have confirmed that that is the statement.
Is that the statement?
Yes, yes, statement. Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
I want the court to adopt the statement. Yes.
You adopt it, you want the court to use it as evidence in this case.
Do you have documents you want to tender through him?
Yes,
Mhm.
No, all the documents we listed. My Lord, sir. The Lord.
Mhm.
That's all the documents, all the statements we pleaded, we want to tender it because all the documents.
Did you file list of documents?
Yes, I'm in court now. I would like to announce my
When did you file it?
to the great effect.
When did you file it?
Melody, another statement was filed on the 13th day
The list of documents?
Was filed on the list of documents.
Which page of the bundle of documents is it?
Page 49.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Leonard Council. Ibrahim, please keep your phone so that I can hear you clearly.
I said
which page of the bundle of documents?
Page 48.
Page 48. Okay. Okay. We'll show the witness and arrange it as listed on the list of documents and give it to the witness to identify each to the court.
Mr. Lavi, look at this statement. I arranged the document. All of them.
Yes, sir. That statement needed.
Tell me what they are.
My Lord, sir, I'm in court right now. I'd like to announce my appearance, sir. I'm very sorry. I was held in the traffic. I'm very sorry.
What's your name?
My name is A.Y. I was for the Senate.
Very well. So go ahead, DW. Identify the witness. I mean the document.
The first document is the document dated titled Deadline Light Electrical Work.
Very well.
Is dated October 2019.
Very well. Go ahead to the next.
Second document received by deadline.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. Deadline electrical work cash by credit sale invoice. I received, my lord. Dated 2nd March 2020. Lord, the third document has pleaded the drilling, and development of Congo.
Very well.
Melody is dated October 2015.
You have the report of vandalization of Okpaka borehole.
Yes, my lord, I have dated.
Yes, go to the next. Very well. Very well. Move to the next one. You have the expenses on the project under your supervision.
Yes.
Very well. Report of 7th of May 2020. You have that also.
The report of dated 7th May 2020.
Very well. Do you have the statement for the 1st of June 2020? The GT statement of account?
What
is the last document that you have there? 11th of May 2020.
11th of
Is it there?
No, no.
You don't have the re-expenses report on the project under your supervision? Dated 11th. Please hold the phone. Hold the phone place it before you so I can hear you, because I can't hear you now.
My Lord, we have 11.
Place the phone before you and talk to the phone so that I can hear you.
The Lord, I said want to present
Mr. Ibrahim, you're not the one I'm talking to. I'm talking to the witness who is identifying the document to the court. Documents are his documents, so he has to identify the documents. So. I asked the question, do you have re-expenses report on the project dated 11th of May, 2020? Do you have it there?
Not
If
here,
it's not amongst the documents, let me
know. My Lord.
Very well.
Sorry.
Very well. How about the letter written by you to the manager, GTP?
Yes, the letter is here, my Lord.
Very well. Is it in respect of the statement? Is the letter in respect of the statement?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, court registrar, match that letter together with the statement. And you have the certificate of identification. So match everything together.
Letter statement.
The statement of 11th May. This is the statement of 11th May. Lord.
Mr. Ibrahim, what do you want to do with the documents?
I've seen the document we dated 11th May 2020. So I want to give it to listed as number 10 on our list of documents, my Lord.
Very well.
Yes, my Lord. Let's have reaching to the manager. Yeah.
Has he identified it?
Yes, my Lord.
So what do you want to do with the documents?
My Lord, we want to the court to admit want to tender it, and the Lord will order the Lord to admit.
Very well. Mr. Muhammad, any objection? Any objection?
Lord, I'm going. I don't need the Lord because he equally mentioned the certificate of compliance.
Yes. I said it should be matched with the GT statement.
My Lord is listed, he has seen it.
Very well. Mr. Mohammed, any objection?
Give him up. Give him up.
Any objection? Unmute your phone. Any objection?
I'm sorry, part of the documents were detached and they have to be attached. Thank you, my Lord, sir. We have seen the documents, but now we are not objecting.
All the documents are admitted and marked as Exhibit S to S9, Sarah team as listed. Is that all for DW1? Cross-examination.
Let's go, please.
Hello. Sorry, hello. I just want to.
The exhibit number.
Court registrar. Court registrar. Talk to the court. I can't see you.
Court registrar.
Court registrar. I can't see you.
My lord.
Yes. Mark the documents. Listen to me. The document dated 14th October 2019 is Exhibit S. If they arrange it as listed, the first one is Jet Light Electrical Works, dated yes. 14th of October.
Yes, my lord.
Exhibit S Sunday.
F1.
S. I didn't say S1. I said S. Have you done that?
Yes, my lord.
Number 2, receipt of details above borehole water project at Opaka S1. Have you done that?
Yes, my lord.
The next one is proposal of details of supply item and other costs for the execution of the borehole water. Exhibit S2.
I didn't hear that.
F2.
My lord, I didn't hear that. My lord, code. I didn't hear that.
Proposal of the details of supply items. For the execution of the borehole water. You know what you would do, court registrar. Court Registrar. Give
Yes,
the
my lord.
documents to the claim and give the documents to the defense witness and let him arrange as listed. Let him arrange it as listed and then mark them as, collect the list of documents from him and mark it as listed. The only documents, listen to me, I hope you are listening.
Yes, my lord.
The only document that you will match together is the GT statement of account, the letter written to the GT manager, and the certificate of identification. You get me right?
Yes.
Those are the three documents that you will staple together. And that is exhibit S8.
After praises.
The document number 10 on the list, collect the list. The document number 10 on the list is exhibit S9. So let's proceed. For examination.
I humbly apply to have our own exhibits, the documented exhibit that we have earlier tendered in the court.
Court registrar, you should have them there.
Hello? Where are the exhibits?
The ones tendered by the claimant, exhibit A to A6.
Thank you. Hello, sir. Thank you, my lord, sir.
Go ahead.
6. Mr. Alabi. You know what happened. Mr. Alabi.
Sir.
Mr. Mohammed, check the audio of your phone. It's muted. Unmute it. Hold it directly before your face. You can talk to it and I can hear your question. Because I'm going to record your question as well as the answer. And then the witness, Mr. Alabi, hold your own phone and talk to it so that I can hear your answer.
My lord, I'm very sorry, technical issues.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Alabi.
Yes, sir.
You issued and signed Exhibit A. That is the letter of employment.
Let me see it.
Okay.
It was issued by my predecessor. It was
Your
signed.
predecessor. What is his name?
Captain Joseph.
My lord, Exhibit A was issued by my predecessor, Mr. Kevin Joseph.
Very well.
Were you already in the company at that time? That was as of 29th April 2009, the date of Exhibit A.
Yes, I was the senior geologist at that time.
Thank you, my lord. Exhibit A4. Take a look at the letter of termination of appointment dated 2nd May 2020. Where are you? Hello? Yes, Exhibit A. What's that? Can you please identify it?
Yes, I can identify it. Exhibit A4.
Thank you.
And we've written a letter because
No, it's okay. It's okay, sir. The claimant worked with your company until 2nd May 2020 when Exhibit A4 was issued.
It was in May 2nd, but 2nd of June. And we've written a letter to that effect of the error date.
Let's make it very simple. If it is not correct, just say so. The claimant was in the employment of the company as from April 2009 to May 2020. Yes or no?
No.
When did he cease to be in employment?
2nd of June 2020.
Thank you.
What you are saying is that his employment was terminated in June 2020.
Yes, my lord.
Very well.
Thank you, sir. At the time he was employed via Exhibit A, did he present any qualifications to the company?
Yes.
Qualification as what? A geologist?
It's in the paper, the document presented.
Yes, as a geologist.
That is what is.
Was he employed as a geologist?
Employed as a geologist.
Thank you very much. And throughout that period of time, from April 2009 to June, according to you, 2020, there was no reason to suspect that he was not qualified to be a geologist. His qualifications were not impugned or disputed.
We didn't. There was no disputed on his qualification.
Thank you, sir. Now, who was the contractor for the borehole?
Jet Flight.
Was the claimant an employee of Jetlight or your employee or the company's employee?
His company employee, but he was put in charge to supervise the project.
Okay. Do you have any documents to show what you have just said, that he was put in charge?
There's no document because he has been doing such assignment since he came to the company.
Whose duty was it then to execute the contract? I'm not talking of supervision, I'm talking of execution of the borehole contract.
Is the
Jet light.
contract Jet Light.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, if Jet Light did a poor job, in execution of the project, who is to blame? The contractor or the claimant?
It's the claimant.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Adam.
You are aware.
Oh, Monica.
Sorry, my lord. These documents are still. My lord, the internet communications or documents were put together as exhibit A3. So I'm going to be asking questions from therein. My lord, sir.
I'm listening.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Please take a look. Thank you, sir. Take a look at it. A3. Yes. With particular reference to the narration.
What is exhibit A3?
Exhibit A3 are the internet printouts.
Okay.
Internet printouts.
Very well.
And among them is a document captioned to be Iron Limited, company update and investor newsletter, February 2020. There is no pagination, so I'm unable to refer to pages. Now, take a look at item 2 on the company update and investor newsletter. Have you seen it? It's asterisk. Item 2.
Remy Opata Waterborne.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Could you please, my lord, sir, I would like him to read out the narration there.
Go ahead.
With your kind permission, my lord.
Go ahead.
Please do.
Ongoing site works included drop down test and water quality test prior to the filling the header tanks. Note, interest parties in the background shaded. Additional community programs are planned in 2020 under the Community Development Agreement with an ongoing commitment to local education, health, safety, infrastructure, and environment. KCMN has received quotes from local civil works contractor for planned excavation of a trial mining pit, 30 meter by 30 meter by 5 meter, to produce stockpile of overburden and iron ore for characterization. water, building materials, and agricultural study. The community will be briefed and informed in this environmental and governance ESG access to sow and appreciate the positive benefit of mining based on sustainable principles.
Thank you. Thank you. This update, was it about the same borehole that has featured in this proceedings?
Yes, that's why they say ongoing.
I have to. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, my lord. Okay. There's another update, also in Exhibit E3, with respect to Urimi of Pata borehole. Now, could you please?
Exactly 10. Go ahead.
Thank you, my lord, sir. Could you please read the update pertaining to the same borehole on the July 2020 company update and newsletter, investor newsletter?
A new geophysical survey was conducted after the initial Urimi Okaka water borehole collapse, resulting in insignificant reduced water flow. The new geophysical survey activity was interpreted to define the subsurface aquifer, and a new replacement borehole was drilled to completion at 100 meters. Ongoing site work include pump down test and water quality test prior to reconnecting and filling up that tank. Pleasingly, this work were completed by the local contractor, no additional cost to the company. The local community was ecstatic at the company's commitment to provide clean drinking water and with our constructive relationship with the local
Mr.
Thank you, my
Mohammed.
lord. I'm okay now. Thank you, my lord.
If Mr. Mohammed, listen,
It's okay.
if we
Please
keep
let me
on
have
doing this, we won't leave this place.
I'm sorry, that is
today.
the only area I will
These
require a readout.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
These documents are before the court.
Yes, my lord.
And if there are issues that are in the pleadings that has to be talked to it, then you talk to it in your final address.
Thank you, my
no
lord.
matter what the witness says there, it cannot change the content of it. So go ahead and ask the question you
I wanted him
want to ask.
be familiar with the content. That is why I asked him to read. I'm sorry, my lord. No, you have lost memory. Now, let's move on. It's obvious. June and
July. There's no June. February and July. Let me help you.
Okay, February and July. Thanks for the correction. These two updates were made by the company.
Correct.
That is the first defendant.
I can hear you, Mr. Mohammed.
I asked whether these updates, as contained in Exhibit A3, were made by the company, the first defendant, and the answer was correct.
Very well.
proceed, sir?
Go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Now, is there anywhere or was there anywhere in the updates the claimant was blamed for anything?
Yes.
In the updates that you have just read, restrict yourself to the update, please.
The reason why I cannot receive myself to the
No,
update,
no,
update is not, the update is what we passed here, and then in the queries answer.
I will come to that, don't worry. Let's just be factual. In this company updates,
Yes.
is there anywhere the claimant was blamed for anything with respect to the execution of the borehole?
That one cannot come in a
I
newsletter.
know, I'm just asking you. That is what
The newsletter.
that was
Witness.
what I
Witness. Is a yes or no answer?
Yes. Thank you, my
Is
lord.
a yes or no answer?
I
Is
should
there
ask again.
anything
All
in
right.
the update
Thank you, my lord.
that blames the claimant?
Is there anywhere in this update the claimant was alleged to have done any wrongdoing with respect to the borehole project?
Yes, with complaint.
You have just,
said,
excuse me, sir, be truthful. You have
In the
just read.
update, in the update, listen,
My lord is online.
witness, you have read the update. Is there anywhere there that the claimant was specifically blamed?
Yes.
The
No.
update you read?
Thank you, my lord, sir.
No, my lord.
No. Very well.
Thank
So
you,
go
my
ahead, Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you, my lord. Now, in the July update, which you read, it was specifically stated that the borehole works were completed at no additional cost to the company. Do you have anything contrary to that?
This is a new borehole. If you look at it, they said a new physical survey was carried.
Don't let us waste too much time. Okay. Do you stand by that statement or not? That's all. The one you just read, that the borehole works were completed at no additional cost to the company.
Then we have to, from up to that point, it has been stated that it was a new borehole.
You cannot make all your case in one sentence. I'm just asking you, as per this update, the statement here, do you have anything contrary to that statement? Thank you. See, I will never take advantage.
Actually, Mr. Mohammed, like I said earlier, earlier on, the document speaks for itself. You don't need to ask him questions.
That's right, my lord. I'm asking this question because of the pleading. They are pleading. That was why I have to.
If they pleaded something different from what is contained in the document, you know what the position of the law is.
I know, my lord, sir. I know. Thank you, my lord, sir.
So you have 5 more minutes.
Thank you, my lord. Now, when exhibits before exhibit A4 was issued, whether in May or in June, and the appointment terminated, was there any report to any law enforcement agency against the claimant for any wrongdoing or any crime? Was any report made to any law enforcement agency against claimant for any offense or wrongdoing?
It was done on the internal running of the company.
What did you say?
It was done by internal running management of the company.
Sir, was any report made to any law enforcement agency?
No,
because it's not an enforcement agency. Thank you.
Any further question?
My lord, I still have 4 minutes, sir. So I put it for you that look at this A6, which contains academic and professional qualifications of the claimants. Do you refute the content? I know documents for themselves, but you pleaded that he has no academic qualifications. Do you refute content? Do you deny the content?
I didn't understand.
You don't understand the question. Do you? What do you have to say about those academic and professional qualifications?
These are some of the. These are the things that he submitted. The part of it as part of what he submitted when he came in.
Did you say what?
The first one is what is submitted when he came to join the company, and not all that.
That is not what I'm asking. Are those documents valid or not?
That is his paper qualification.
Okay, please. Bring it back. Now to the queries. These queries were all that you did before you issued the letter of termination.
Yes, sir.
My Lord, that is exhibit A1. Exhibit A1 is a bunch of documents numbering 10.
Very well.
Exhibit A1, those are the queries. And up till now, have you reported the claimant to any law enforcement agents?
He has answered that question.
My Lord? I said, up to now, my Lord.
He has answered the question. Okay.
As God places. Yes, up till now. What I asked before was before the letter was issued.
Okay.
Thank you, my Lord. Finally, I'll be correct to say that the claimant was originally employed because he was qualified. You agree? God bless you.
As a geologist.
As a geologist. Yes. My Lord, I'm very grateful for your patience.
Any other?
That will be all for the
re-examination.
Yes.
Mr. Ibrahim, unmute your phone.
Thank you.
Ask if there's any re-examination.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. When you are confronted with the prayer 3 and you read the July 2020,
I won't accept any question with regards to that document, to any documents. The document speaks for itself, and the court will look at it to decide on the case.
It's just to clear an ambiguity there, my Lord.
There's no ambiguity in the document that is before the court. There cannot be any ambiguity. He cannot rewrite what is contained in that document. Whatever he says there, content of that document. So talk to the document in your final address with regards to your pleadings. Very well. Okay. Is that, you have any other witness in court?
Yes, my Lord.
DW1, you are discharged.
Thank you, my Lord.
Any more witnesses? I hope the other witnesses, you don't have so much for them.
No, my Lord, not the statement.
Invite the second one. Who is the second witness?
Yes.
Page what?
Page 39, Milo.
Page 39.
Yes, Milo.
I, Shaibu of
Swear in the name of Allah.
the name of Allah,
But yet, in this case,
evidence as in this case,
shall be
Sadidi,
all truth. I'm not
and nothing but it.
so help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, witness of God, the Holy Quran.
Very well.
Shaibu Obayomi,
I remember
yes, sir.
Mr. Ibrahim, you are talking to yourself because you are not speaking to the phone you have there. I'm not hearing you.
I'm grabbing it. Yes, my Lord. Network. We're back now. I shall go back.
Yes, sir.
Remember on the 20 time amended before the court. Remember?
Sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, I will have statement. What do you want to
I adopt it and want the court to use it as an evidence, sir.
Very well.
Hello, that's what.
You want to tender any document through him? No. Any document through him?
No, my Lord.
No.
Yes, my Lord.
For examination.
Thank you, my Lord.
Mr. Mohammed, go ahead.
Thank you, my Lord, sir. Before I cross-examine, sir, I would like to confirm the designation of these witnesses.
The what?
Their designation, are they DW or?
This is DW2.
Thank you, my Lord, sir. Thank you, my Lord. I have a few questions for you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Number one, are you a staff of KCM Limited?
No, I'm the vice president of the.
I know. Are you a staff? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
Right.
Do you have anything to show that you are a representative of the community? Apart from your verbal statements? Not yet, apart from your verbal statements to that effect.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Do you have anything to show that you are a representative of the community in question, apart from your word of mouth?
As document.
Sir?
As document.
See, you said at paragraph 4A that you are the representative of the community at the drilling site at Opaka, Unio, or
Yes.
I said that's your verbal statement. Do you have anything at all apart from it to show that truly you are the representative of the community?
No document.
Thank you, Lord.
Go Go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Now, in paragraph 6 of your adopted written statement on oath, you said you wrote a letter of complaint to the company on 18th May 2020. Do you have any copy of the letter in question?
Is there with you?
Do you have it with you now? Yes.
This box.
Where you are?
It's already in the court. The letter is already in the court.
All right. Now, down below the paragraph, you claim that because defendant said the claimant in charge of the project failed to install 70 meters actually drilled, and witnessed only 6 lengths of casing pipe, which amount to 32 meter depth, that was only installed. Do you know anything about borehole engineering?
Sir?
Do you know anything about borehole engineering?
What I see, I know about it.
Do you know anything about borehole engineering?
I mean what I saw. I saw the
question, sir. Do you know anything about borehole engineering? Yes or no?
I know.
You know. All right. Are you a geologist?
I'm not a geologist.
Are you a borehole engineer?
No.
What is your academic qualification?
HND Business Administration and Management.
Business
Administration and Management.
And Management. Obtained from which institution?
Public State Polytechnic of Oja.
I put it to you that you have been put to what was never within your knowledge.
What?
You said the what? Put it to him.
My lord?
You put it to him that.
Yes, he has deposed in facts that are not within his knowledge.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
It is not true.
Yes.
That's all.
My lord, I'm grateful. That is all.
Very well. DW2, you are discharged.
I'm very good. Chief Council.
Each of the, what page is his witness statement?
42.
42.
42.
Very well. And that's your last witness.
We do have another one. If they are, let them clear the court. They cannot be in court while they are giving evidence.
Is that the last witness? Eh? After this, you have one more.
Yes, my Lord.
Let them stay outside of a court hearing.
So,
So call the Kazum Sule.
I, Kasim Osule,
Swear in the name of Almighty Allah
swear in the name of Almighty Allah
that the evidence I shall give in this case
that the evidence I shall give in this
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me Allah.
Help me Allah.
Allah do say as one with Holy Quran.
Very well.
Yes. The person I remember he made an important statement on Pope on the 13th day of May 2022.
Yes, please.
What do you want to do with your statement? Do you adopt it? Do you adopt it?
I adopt the comment, the statement.
What do you want to use it
I
for?
won't use it as adopted by me as evidence on this case.
Very well.
No, that's okay.
That's all.
Yes, my Lord.
For examination.
thank you, my Lord. Chief, sir.
Yes, sir.
You claim that's paragraph 6 of your statement, that the non-completion of the borehole projects in question was due to the failure of the claimant contractor to install up to the 70 meters actually drilled. That is what you said in paragraph 6 of your statement. Now, can you please tell me the identity of that contractor?
The identity of the contractor?
Yes. We want to know who was that contractor.
The contractor is Jet Light by.
Thank you. Thank you, my Lord. May I proceed?
Go ahead.
Thank you, my Lord. Paragraph 8. You claim that the community, quote, was not being happy. I'm reading you verbatim. Was not being happy with the vandalization of the water borehole. Who did the vandalization?
In the first place.
The alleged vandalization, please. Just tell us the identity of
the vandalization itself was what we witnessed.
Sir?
Was what we witnessed.
Was what you witnessed?
Yes.
So I'm asking you now, who are the people or who was the person or persons that vandalized?
Unknown person. I didn't mention anybody.
The vandalization, the alleged vandalization was done by unknown persons. Is that what you are saying?
That's what he said. So move to the next question.
Thank you, my Lord. That will be all for me, my Lord. I'm grateful.
Any re-examination?
My Lord, me.
DW3, you are discharged. Any other?
Lord, our Lord.
Who are those talking about something else there? Call your last witness.
Lord, my last witness.
What's his name? What's the name of the last witness? Jethro.
Yes, my lord.
Go ahead and invite him.
I Jethro Shaggy. I Jethro Shaggy.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
That the evidence I shall give in this case.
That evidence I shall give in this case.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth. And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God. My Lord, use me as the Holy Bible.
Very well.
Remember, you know
Yes, sir. Why did he so I want the court to have evidence to the case.
Go ahead.
Statement.
Is there any document you want to tender through him?
No, my lord. I've already tendered.
Very well. For examination, Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you, my lord, sir. Firstly, what would you say? So, a claim that the body failed because we failed. You are the contractor, right? Because we failed to install the required length of meters. What would you say? It failed because of the failure to install the required 70 meters length.
I'm not the one that.
Wait. I asked you, are you the Jethro contractor?
Yes, I'm the contractor.
So what would you say to a claim that the contractor that carried out the work failed to install 70 length meters? And that was why the borehole failed. What would you say to that? It's not correct.
I'm not the one that.
I asked you. That is not, I'm not asking you whether you are the one that did it. I said, what would you say to a claim? Don't let us know. What would you say to a claim?
Yes, listen to the question.
Yes.
And you can answer the question. Mr. Ibrahim, please don't interject. Go ahead. The question, Mr. Mohammed.
What would you say to the statement that the borehole failed because the claimant's contractor failed to install 70 meters length as required? Is that true or not? That is all I wanted.
It's not true. It failed to drill up to the depth.
My emphasis on the contractor.
What?
They said the contractor failed to install 70 meters length. The contractor failed to install.
I didn't get your answer.
Hello, he said.
Yes.
Yes, what?
The contractor failed to install up to the depth that required for the field.
Install what?
The depth of the borehole.
What are they installing?
They install the facilities.
Is it the pipe?
That's the length of the borehole.
Okay.
Witness, listen to me. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Did you dig the borehole up to 70 meters. Did you or you didn't?
I'm not the one that do the drilling, man.
But you are the contractor.
I'm the contractor, but there is an explanation attached to it, man.
Because the question was, what will you say to the claim that you failed to install the 70 meters length as required?
I don't understand.
Mr. Ibrahim asked the question. Mr. Mohammed.
That the borehole failed because the contractor.
Mohammed.
Is that the borehole did not properly drill. And the borehole, when they are drilling the borehole up to 70 meters, the borehole collapsed. And they couldn't install up to that meter.
They couldn't do what?
They couldn't install up to 70 meters, which they drilled. The borehole collapsed.
Very well.
Oh, thank you, my Lord. May I ask you again? Let us be clear about who we are talking with. Are you the contractor? Were you the contractor?
The work was allocated to me.
Can't you just answer that question? Were you the contractor for this borehole? What's your problem? I asked you a direct question. I was the contractor for the project. It's okay, that you can re-examine if you want. I'm following. I'm following.
He said he's not the one that carried it out.
No. My Lord, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. Now, you claimed in paragraph 4 of your statement that you submitted a quotation for a total sum of 1,998,600 naira.
Yes, my Lord.
That's paragraph 4. Now, how much was eventually paid to you in total as far as that borehole project is concerned? Can you remember?
About 2 million, 800 and something, 2.800 and something thousand.
What did you say? What did you say?
Million.
Sum of 2 million
was paid.
2 million what?
2 million what?
800 and what?
800. I don't know the actual figure again, ma.
2 point something.
That is the total. But the first money was paid into my account.
No. Restrict yourself. I'm asking the total money that you. That's what I'm asking. I don't want to fragment your statement is here. Now, in paragraph 7, let me jog your memory. You said the sum of 2,308,408 naira was paid. That is 2,308,480 naira was paid.
Yes, my Lord.
Is that the figure you were struggling to remember?
Yes, I am.
Hello, paragraph 7.
Okay. Go ahead.
Now, who paid this money for you?
The company.
No, be specific.
KC.
Who did the payment? Who did the payment?
It was paid through KCM company.
By who? That's what I'm saying.
It's been transferred to my account.
Transferred it.
That I don't know. That I don't know. It's from the
You don't know
company.
who transferred the money?
This company takes them.
I know. I said, which human being did the transfer?
I don't know.
Company cannot function by itself.
I don't know.
Thank you, my Lord. Now, the money was transferred by you.
Yes.
To the account of Mr. Akonbi.
Yes.
I transferred the money to the account of Mr. Akonbi. That is second defendant, my Lord. Why?
The claimant asked me to do that.
The claimant asked to do that?
Yes.
Next.
Thank you, my Lord. I put it to you that your last statement was not correct. It's not true.
My last statement is true.
It's true. So, when you now finally commenced your work, who was paying you?
The whole money being paid to me. Well, after returning the money back to the company, to the second defendant. Then the claimant now called me. Already, he had told me that he will be the one to handle the job. That is why he's asking to provide the money.
Follow my question. I said, as you started the work, who was paying you? Or did you expect?
They only asked me to supply the pump for the work. I'm not the one that is paying. They only assigned me.
Okay.
Who paid for the work?
That was the question I asked, my Lord. Who was paying you?
Sunday.
Who?
Second, the claimant. The claimant is the one who paid me the money.
Okay.
Now, in the same paragraph 7, you said the sum of 2,308,480 was transferred to your account as against the sum of 1,998,600 naira. Now, who did the transfer that you said you were surprised about? Instead of the 1,998,600 naira, who transferred that money? I'm still interested to know.
The money was transferred by KTM mining company.
Okay. So how much were you eventually paid? How much did you eventually receive? How much came back to you?
690 naira. 690,000.
Only the sum of 690,000. What are you looking? Don't look at. You are writing things on your palm. You're not supposed to do that.
How much?
690,000.
Only.
And that is the money being refunded to me.
You.
Would you know whether this 2 million, the original 2,308,480, was ever paid back to the claimant? Would you know? You will not know. No, speak, don't shake your head. Answer.
I don't know.
Give us audio. Okay. So I'll be correct to say that the last time you saw the money, that is the 2,308,480, the last time you saw it, or its movement, was when you paid it into the account of Mr. Labit.
Yes.
That account into which you paid this 2 million was the private account of Mr. Labit. Is that not correct?
Right.
In paragraph 3, you claim that you refunded the sum of 577,120 naira. Do you have evidence of that?
In paragraph,
It's by transfer to my account.
Do you have any evidence?
I'm not here with.
Okay. I don't have evidence of the fact alluded to in paragraph 9.
Well, I can easily do the printout.
Too late. Thank you, madam. I'm rising up, sir. You also pleaded a transfer by in paragraph 12. You stated that the claimant subsequently transferred 440,000 to your account, totaling 690,000, which was received via my office receipt. Do you have evidence of this fact?
Yes, I do.
Where is it? No.
It's with the.
Please, can you identify? What is it? What type of what is it? Please. Let me see. Thank you, my lord, sir.
No, that is not the one. No, it's the other one. That is not the one.
Sorry, my lord. We are trying to locate the. Speak to him. Let me search it.
Please, I'm not the one who did it.
What are you looking for, please?
My lord is looking for the receipt he claims in paragraph 12.
So where is it? Is it one of the documents tendered by DW1?
Oh, he said.
Eh?
It's not there, right?
No, we tender.
Now let me ask you. Please, the trick there.
Go ahead, Mr. Mohammed.
Hello, it is starting. Anyway, let me please forget about that. Hello, forget about it. Let's move on. The receipt cannot be located. Now, we claim in paragraph 13 that the claimant, are you listening to me?
I'm with you.
All right. You claim that the claimant later rescinded part of the contract mentioned, that is the drizzling of borehole.
Yes.
How did he read the contract? Is it verbal or writing?
Come again.
Do you have any evidence of the rescission of the contract? Or termination of the contract?
There is no paper.
Do you have any evidence? No. My law paragraph 13, no evidence. He said he had
no paper attached to it.
Okay, no document. So,
Next question.
thank you, my lord. I'm rounding up, sir. Now let's go to paragraph 14. This, my lord, I told you indulgence to read it. It's very important. In paragraph 14, you said, I will quote.
And Leonard
However,
Council. Leonard Council. Leonard Council. Remember that the witness has answered this question with regards to whether or not, why they couldn't drill 70.
It's okay, my lord. I saw something else there. That's why I triggered my curiosity, sir.
So he has answered the question.
No problem.
He has answered the question.
I'll be places.
Any other question?
Just a minute, my lord, sir. Now, what is your qualification? Are you an engineer?
Yes.
What sort of engineer?
I read electrical.
What? Electrical engineering. From which institution?
Kogi Poly.
Up to what level?
You said what? What's your qualification?
He
was electrical
studied electrical engineering at Kogi State Polytechnic.
OND or HND?
Yes, what level? OND.
That's all.
Final question, my lord. As a matter of fact, I'm stopping here, my lord, sir. I'm grateful.
Any re-examination, Mr. Ibrahim? Is that the case for the defendant? DW4, you are discharged. The defense case is closed. What date for adoption? Court registrar, calculate 50 or 51 days from today for adoption. By the rules of court, is 49 days. I'm just adding about 2.
49 days. My lord, what is the sequence of submission of filing, sir?
You shouldn't ask me. Check the rules of court. You shouldn't even have asked because you should know as a counsel.
My lord, the defendant should advise.
That is the provision of the position of the rules of court. Defendants will file first, and then the claimant will file thereafter. And if the defendant wants to file a reply on point of law, he has the right to do so.
As copies, most grateful. I'm grateful.
What date?
The day of the event is not included. We already have the 15th March. Wednesday. 15th March. I don't think any of you have.
What date?
After we be reading
15th March.
Yes,
have a sitting in Lapaja. Fix it for 22nd of March.
22nd March.
22nd of March.
Is it convenient?
It's convenient, my lord.
Very well. 22/3/2023.
As copies.
Definite adoption of final addresses.
As copies, we are not good, my lord.
Is there any other matter?
Yes, madam.
Go ahead and call the next case. Call the next case.
NICN LKJ 03/2022 between Honorable Benga Amos Alabi and 22 others, and 1. Kogi State Government, 2. Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Kogi State, 3. Okoye Local Government. My lord, the statement is in court. Others.
Yes.
Who is in court?
22 and 23. Is that what they
Court
said?
registrar.
My lord, my statement is in court. Others are.
Please control your client and let us go.
And defendants absent.
Defendants absent, my lord.
Appearances.
Please, my lord. I am here on you are not here for the claimant. We appearing YM Jamil for the claimant.
Any other appearance? Any other appearance?
Announce appearance.
Any other appearance? Is there any other counsel representing the defendants in court?
Yes, my lord.
Go ahead and announce the appearance.
In profound respect, my name is Tunji Ojuokaye. My lord, I'm Assistant Director, Ministry of Justice, Kogi State. My appearance is for the defendants.
Assistant Director what?
Civil litigation for the defendants.
Very well. You informed the court at the last last sitting that some of the claimants do not intend to proceed with the case. And the court made an order that to file appropriate process before the court, or in the alternative, they have to appear before the court to do same. So are they in court? Or have they filed any process to say that they do not intend to proceed with the case? Mr. Ojokaye.
My Lord, we have not received any processes from them. However, at the last, I can hear you, my Lord. I can hear. We have not received any process from the.
Go ahead.
We have not received any process from the.
I cannot hear you.
Lord, I said that these are
please
for the seat on that day.
Place the phone before you and talk to it. I'm asking whether or not the defendants, you informed the court at the last sitting that some of the claimants do not intend to proceed with the case. And I asked that they should file an appropriate process, or they should come physically to do so. So are they in court today?
I'm trying to in it was in court. Who is let's make
I cannot hear you. Maybe you change your position in the courtroom and then use your phone properly. I cannot hear you.
Let me change. Let me move to this side. Perhaps I'm sorry, my love. If you can hear me now.
Yes, go ahead.
The last time we were in court, some weeks ago in December, a counsel from the office of Abbas came to court, though the court did not sit for the issue of so for now we have not received the intention of withdrawing the appearance, the participation of the claimants on this suit. But they are not here.
So the matter can proceed. Very well. So the matter will proceed. Mr. Onoja. Mr. Onoja. Unmute. Your phone is muted. I cannot hear you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. put him on hold now.
Mr. Onoja.
Yes, yeah.
Mr. Onoja.
Yes, Lord.
I asked a question. If all the claimants are still interested in prosecuting this case.
Yes, Lord.
Defendant, have you filed your defense to the suit?
Yes, they have filed their defense.
So take a date for hearing.
Lord, this is about the third time that we are taking it for hearing, Lord. My Lord.
Take a date for hearing.
No much.
Court register, what date?
My Lord, 21st of March.
Is it convenient?
It's convenient. It's convenient. It's convenient, my Lord.
Very well. By agreement of counsel, case adjourned to 21st of March, 2023 for definite hearing. Is there any other matter?
Yes, my Lord. NICN LKJ 14M 2022 between Salamatu Tribal and 1 Local Government Service Commission, 2 Kogi Local Government Council, 3 Kogi State Government, parties absent.
Appearances.
Me from the open court, my Lord.
Respectfully, my Lord.
Any appearance on record?
Yes, my Lord. May please, my Lord?
Very well.
My Lord, I'm BM Musa. Because I announced appearance for the judgment creditor applicants.
Any other appearance?
No. No, my Lord. My Lord, this is a committal proceeding that we initiated against.
Is it a committal or garnishi?
Yes, my Lord. It's a committal.
Is it a committal or a garnishi proceeding? They are two different things.
Is a committal that emanated from garnishi proceedings. The garnishi proceeding has been concluded, but the garnishi bank has refused to pay the judgment sum to the judgment creditor.
As the 15th of March, 15th of November.
Yes, my Lord.
That was when the order was made absolute.
Yes, my Lord.
The order was made absolute. That was the last sitting. So when did you file a committal proceeding?
We filed, the papers are there below. We filed from 48 and from 49 respectively.
When?
I can remember the Form 49 was filed on the 6th of December and was duly served on the bank.
It was filed on 25th of November.
That was to file from 48 on 25th and filed from 49 on 6th December.
It was not served on the contempt, no. It was
No,
not
it was,
served on the particular person.
it was served. It was served on the bank's operation manager.
What I have as signature, it was served on one Desuado Olubukola, and that is not the name. The name here is Stephen Ngede.
Yes, my lord, that's the operation manager of the bank.
But the person that obtained it was Desuado Olubukola. We don't know who the person is.
You know,
So it has to be served.
You know the way the bank
You have to
operates.
ensure that it is served on the particular person. You have to ensure that it is served on the particular person.
Well, it's just that when processes are being served on banks, they will just direct it to the unit that receives processes, and one of the officials will stamp for it. That's why it's a bit.
And then you look for whoever is the official, or the manager, and get the appropriate officers of the court to effect service on the manager or whoever is the operation officer.
Well, that's complete.
What date, court registrar?
22nd of March, my lord. 27 March. 22 March, my lord, sorry.
Proper service is to be effected on the bank official. Case adjourned to 22/3/2023 for hearing.
As copies. I'm most obliged.
That is all for today, my lord.
Very well. The court.